Hi everybody and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you how easily to fry any fish fillet. 3 ways. I have here codfish. I bought it frozen, I already defrosted it, and now I will add a little bit of salt, pepper, lemon juice, and I like oregano, but you can choose your spices to your taste. This is my favorite breading for fish fillet. Just eggs and flour. I usually add a little bit of salt to eggs and to flour, but it's up to your taste. So I fry until golden brown on both sides. If you don't have breadcrumbs, but you have, for example, bun for hamburger, so we can grate it, and it will be absolutely the same. We won't use these big pieces. Second way, triple breading: flour, eggs and breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs we bought in supermarket, or these ones we just prepared at home. and they fry the same way until golden brown on both sides. And third way, inspired by Italian cuisine. 2 eggs, a little bit of pepper, 2 tablespoons finely minced parsley, and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan, or we can use any other cheese. I will be using old cheddar. So first flour, then egg mixture, and then we fry. And this is our dish, delicious fried fish fillet. I hope you will like this simple recipe. Enjoy your meal. Bye bye.